Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome to another exciting journey with me, Aida, your friendly AI-generated virtual guide. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a mesmerizing exploration of Zaanse Schans, a charming village located in the picturesque Dutch countryside. Prepare to be transported back in time as we uncover the rich history, cultural heritage, and enchanting beauty of this hidden gem. Zaanse Schans will offer you a delightful escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. So, let's embark on this unforgettable adventure together and immerse ourselves in the timeless charm of Zaanse Schans. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Aida's Artful Journeys. Tucked away in the scenic Dutch countryside lies the enchanting village of Zaanse Schans, a testament to the rich history and cultural heritage of the Netherlands. Situated just a short distance from Amsterdam, this picturesque destination offers travelers a glimpse into a bygone era where windmills and wooden houses stand as silent witnesses to centuries of craftsmanship and innovation. Zaanse Schans owes its existence to the industrious spirit of the Dutch people, who harness the power of wind and water to drive their mills and fuel their economy. In the 17th and 18th centuries, this region emerged as a thriving center of industry, with hundreds of windmills dotting the landscape, producing everything from flour and spices to lumber and dyes. Today, Zaanse Schans stands as a living museum, preserving the traditions and craftsmanship of centuries past for future generations to admire and enjoy. Reaching this idyllic destination is a breeze, whether by car, train, or bicycle. Situated just a short drive from Amsterdam, it's an easy day trip for those seeking to escape the city life. Alternatively, travelers can hop aboard a train from Amsterdam Central Station to Zaandijk Zaanse Schans Station, followed by a scenic stroll or a short bus ride to the village entrance. Upon arrival, visitors are greeted by the rustic charm of Zaanse Schans, where traditional Dutch windmills rise majestically against the sky. The village welcomes guests daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., allowing ample time to explore its myriad attractions. While admission tickets are available for those eager to delve deeper into the village's history and culture, there's plenty to see and do without purchasing a ticket. Stroll along the cobblestone streets, admire the iconic windmills up close, and soak in the idyllic atmosphere of this living museum. For those who opt to purchase a ticket, a world of immersive experiences awaits. Step inside a working windmill to witness the age-old craft of milling flour, or visit the wooden shoe workshop to watch skilled artisans carve traditional clogs from blocks of wood. With the ticket, visitors gain access to insightful guided tours, interactive demonstrations, and hands-on workshops, offering a deeper understanding of Dutch heritage and craftsmanship. As you arrive, the windmills of Zaanse Schans stand as iconic symbols of Dutch ingenuity and innovation, each one bearing witness to centuries of history and tradition. These majestic structures played a vital role in the region's economy, harnessing the power of the wind to drive a myriad of industries. During the height of the Dutch Golden Age, Zaanse Schans was a bustling hub of activity, with hundreds of windmills dotting the landscape. These mills served various purposes, from grinding grain into flour and pressing oil from seeds to sawing timber and producing dyes and spices. At their peak, the windmills of Zaanse Schans were at the forefront of technological innovation, representing the cutting edge of engineering and craftsmanship. Their distinctive designs and intricate mechanisms were the result of generations of skill and expertise passed down through the ages. Although many of the windmills have since been restored and preserved as tourist attractions, they continue to evoke a sense of wonder and admiration for the ingenuity of the past. Today, visitors to Zaanse Schans can step inside these historic mills, marvel at their inner workings, and gain a deeper appreciation for their role in shaping the landscape and economy of the Netherlands. As we explore the history of the Zaanse Schans windmills, we are reminded of the resilience and resourcefulness of the Dutch people who transformed the humble windmill into a symbol of national pride and cultural heritage. Their legacy lives on in these magnificent structures, standing as enduring monuments to a bygone era of innovation and industry. Experience their sights and sounds and delve into the inner workings of these majestic structures. As hunger strikes, travelers can refuel at one of the charming cafes or restaurants dotted throughout Zaanse Schans. Indulge in traditional Dutch delicacies like stroopwafels, syrup waffles, or poffertjes, mini pancakes paired with a steaming cup of freshly brewed coffee. Alternatively, pack a picnic and savor your meal amidst the scenic beauty of the village's pastoral surroundings. For those seeking a unique shopping experience, Zaanse Schans boasts a variety of artisanal shops and boutiques. From handmade pottery and intricate lacework to locally produced cheeses and souvenirs, there's something to delight every visitor's taste and preference. No visit to Zaanse Schans would be complete without a stop at the petting zoo, where friendly farm animals await eager visitors. Feed the goats, pet the sheep, and perhaps even catch a glimpse of the resident cows grazing peacefully in the pasture. As we come to the end of our journey through Zaanse Schans, I hope you've been captivated by the timeless charm and rich history of this enchanting village. From the iconic windmills to the quaint wooden houses and bustling artisan workshops, Zaanse Schans offers a glimpse into the soul of the Netherlands. But our adventure doesn't have to end here. There's still so much more to explore, so many more stories to uncover. So stay tuned for more exciting travel adventures, art explorations, and cultural discoveries right here on Aida's Artful Journeys. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy travels.